Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing tools so nothing blocks progress. Install Homebrew, then Python 3 using Brew, because System Python on macOS can conflict. Once done, install Visual Studio Code and add the Python and Pylons extensions to get linting and IntelliSense. Create a project folder and open it in Vscode. This ensures the editor uses your files. Make sure to check Python 3 version and that the extensions are enabled, so the next steps operate predictably. You now configure an isolated environment to avoid dependency clashes. Create a virtual environment with Python 3 mvenv. Venv and activate it using source. Venv/bin/activate because pip installs must target the venv. Next, tell Vscode to use that interpreter via the status bar or Python. Select interpreter, which enables the right linting and debugging behavior. Then install libraries with pip install and manage them with requirements. txt, so collaborators reproduce your environment. You finish by running and debugging to validate everything. Run Python files in the integrated terminal or use the Run Python file button for quick checks, then set breakpoints and create a launch. JSON to control debug behavior. Press F5 to start. Configure formatting and linting in settings, AutoPep 8, Black Flake 8, or Pylon, so code remains consistent. If something goes wrong, check the selected interpreter and terminal environment first. Most issues
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.